They are images that will go down in U.S. history. Donald Trump arriving at a court in Manhattan. Gone was the traditional swagger that has defined Trump's persona. Today, the former president was uncharacteristically somber, as he became the first current or former president to ever be charged with a crime. And this is what he's been charged with, the indictment being unsealed before Trump in the courtroom. 34 felony counts, including falsifying business records and other charges stemming from a $130,000 hush money payment to a former adult film star. Donald Trump pleaded not guilty to all the charges. The case against Trump laid out later by the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg.
34 false statements made to cover up other crimes. These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are. We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
However, the indictment did not impress Trump's legal team.
He's frustrated, he's upset, but I'll tell you what, he's motivated, and it's not going to stop him, and it's not going to slow him down.
Earlier, outside the courthouse, the anticipation had built to a fever pitch as both supporters and detractors of the former president gathered outside.
It's a phony case. Everybody knows that. Political persecution.
Today is the beginning of a long series of potential prosecutions ahead.
Finally, after hours of waiting, Trump's motorcade arrived right past our camera. Donald Trump's motorcade arriving here at the courthouse. He's in one of these vehicles, a historic moment.
It's a very scary time. It's a very fragile time for American democracy. And not only should Americans be nervous, but people around the world should be as well.
This is just the start of what likely will be a long legal battle. The next phase will be a trial. Trump's lawyers argued to the judge that they don't want that trial to begin until the middle of next year, putting it right smack in the middle of a presidential campaign, one in which it's probable Trump himself would be a top contender for the Republican nomination. Trump left court without comment after more than 2 hours inside. Later in the evening, when Trump returned to his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida, he broke his silence.
This fake case was brought only to interfere with the upcoming 2024 election, and it should be dropped immediately.